My 9-year-old daughter has been asking me to go on the warbird and do some aerobatics for quite some time. We had to get early to do this, but it was totally worth it. Hello, what's your name?
Ariane,
So where are we?
Arlington.
What are you going to do?
I'm gonna fly the warbird.
Which warbird?
That one.
Wow! Do you like flying this?
Yeah.
Is it the first time?
No, it's the second.
Do you like aerobatics?
Yeah.
So you want to do aerobatics on the flight?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's have fun.
This is the co-pilot seat of the engine where I will be sitting. I'm so scared.
Yeah. Why?
Because it's only my second time. It's my second time and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, that was so fun. I've never done anything like this before.
Ariane, are you ready to fly?
Yes. And after I do that, I think it's going to be so amazing. Can I fly again?
Yes, it's all yours.
Grab it, grab it, grab it! I wanted to do some more tricks, so we did some more.
So we went and did another aileron roll. Okay, let's head back to base.
Let's go back to base. It was super good.
Are you tired?
Yes, I enjoyed the tricks that we did, and I am very tired because I woke up very early to do this. It was very easy to move the airplane around. I can't wait to do it again and practice again. Bye!
It is very easy to join, to be a patron of Backcountry 182. Go to the YouTube channel. On the right hand side there is the link, and then it takes you to the Patreon page. Here you can see all the tiers and what is all about, the support for Backcountry 182 YouTube channel. Also, another way to access the Patreon link is in the description of the video I put in YouTube on Backcountry 182 channel. There is a link for Patreon, so just click on that and it will take you to the page. Thank you for watching. It would be amazing if you guys are interested and give some support.